Hello everyone! Let's draw Peppa Pig celebrating her birthday. First, we'll draw two cute eyes. Next, a small circle for her cheek and a smiling mouth. Let's sketch the shape of her face. Add two ears. And top it off with a birthday cap on her head, perfect for the celebration. Now, let's draw a yummy cake. While we're drawing the cake, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun drawing tutorials. Let's draw Peppa's hands and body, making her look cheerful. Next, we'll draw a table for the cake to sit on. Our drawing is looking amazing so far. Since it's Peppa's birthday, let's add lots of colorful balloons. Now we'll draw a chair for Peppa to sit on. Finally, we'll complete the drawing by adding table legs. Time to start coloring. I'm using a pink marker for Peppa's face and body. Her cheeks will also be pink for a cute blush. For the balloons, I'll use sky blue. The table cover will be colored with orange and yellow to make it bright and cheerful. I'm making the cake colorful with different markers for a fun, festive look. The table and chair legs will be brown. Lastly, I'm using sky blue for the chair itself. See you in the next video.